Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to get a Discord ID. So this could be either be for yourself or anyone on Discord. It's very easy to do. And if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, you can either do this on the Discord app or the web-based application. It's all down to personal preference, but the steps are the same. In today's video, I'll be doing this on the Discord app. First thing you want to do is actually come to Discord and log into your account. And then once you're logged in, what you're going to want to do is come down to your settings. So if you come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto user settings, and then from here, it's very easy to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is just scroll down this menu on the left-hand side. And under the app settings section, you'll see something called advanced. So if you go and give that a click, what you want to do is just make sure that developer mode is turned on. So you just want to click this toggle button up here and turn on developer mode. And once that's done, you are now able to get IDs. And to do so, it's actually very, very easy to do. All you need to do is come and right click on the person you want to get an ID for. So for example, for myself. And then you'll see what's going to happen. There should be an option at the bottom called copy ID. So all you need to do is click onto that. And then obviously Control V. And that's going to copy the Discord ID. And it's the same process if you want to get this for anyone else. So I'm going to get it for this person here. Click onto copy ID. Control V, and you'll see that's going to display the Discord ID for that person. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.